More Nigerians appreciated technology in the year 2015. It was more or less an interesting year for anything tech. So it was for us at Tech Trends because we had dozens of brilliant guests and other cool segments. So this edition of the show will bring you highlights of some of the previous edition of Tech Trends. And as usual, we have a cool reward for you on our giveaway segment, so be on the lookout. This is Tech Trends, and I'm Chukwuemeka Agbata.
While the 2016 Consumer Electronics Show officially kicks off in Las Vegas, tech fans were treated to a sneak preview of what's ahead. It was a standalone room at the Mandalay Bay Ballroom where convention startup tech firms showcased wares that CES deemed worthy of including in their annual CES unveiling. The honorees making it to the preview are traditionally seen as the best and brightest the show has to offer. Now that's huge considering CES' long history in providing a venue for such groundbreaking tech items as the VCR and high-definition television.
Being at this CES is for us a big opportunity to showcase our products, to showcase our technology, and demonstrate that we can bring significant protection for people in terms in different applications.
And while the absence of tech giants Apple, Google and Microsoft may have dimmed the luster of the event, CES still offers a broad market exposure that is hard to ignore.
It's the best technology show in the world, and we're producing beer technology, so it's a perfect show for us.
Ford Motors demonstrated its commitment to developing autonomous cars, saying it plans to triple to 30 the size of its fleet of self-driving test cars as part of an effort to accelerate vehicle development. In an announcement coinciding with the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Ford said it will begin using a new, lower-cost LiDAR sensor made by California-based Velodyne. Industry executives say the high cost of such sensors, which act as the eyes of a self-driving car, is one of the main technical obstacles to widespread commercialization of self-driving vehicles. Ford said it will be the first automaker to use Velodyne's new solid-state hybrid Ultra-Puck Auto sensor. The compact device replaces the spinning scanners mounted on the rooftops of some autonomous test vehicles. 2 of these sensors could replace 4 current LiDAR sensors. The Ultra-Pucks are small enough to mount on a side view mirror, according to Ford.
I can guarantee that we can make the car see much better than any human being. So from an intelligence standpoint, from an algorithm standpoint, and from a sensor standpoint, this car can see in all directions at all times. And that's much different from a human being. As a human being, we make continual assumptions while we drive. That's the difference.
Ford says it will add 20 hybrid Ford Fusion sedans to its existing 10-vehicle self-driving car fleet and test them on roads in California, Arizona, and Michigan. Rival automakers are also testing fleets of self-driving cars on and off public roads. Alphabet Incorporated's Google has been testing self-driving cars of various kinds, including some of its own design since 2009. It was reported in December by Automotive News that Ford was in talks with Google to help build the internet search company's autonomous cars. But when quizzed on the collaboration by reporters in Las Vegas, Ford CEO Fields would not confirm or deny the reports.
Well, what we have said is as we go forward and as we provide a number of mobility solutions, there'll be times we do things on our own, there'll be times that we partner with others. It all depends on what makes sense for us. There's been some speculation out there. We're not going to comment on the speculation. We talk with a lot of different companies. We keep those conversations private for competitive reasons.
In early 2015, Google began discussions with most of the world's top automakers and assembled a team of traditional and non-traditional suppliers to speed efforts to bring self-driving cars to the market by 2020. The automobile company is exploring ways to link in home automation devices such as Amazon.com Inc.'s Echo to the Sync communication systems in its cars to allow consumers to control lights or thermostats inside the home from the car, or start up cars and check fuel levels from inside the house. Virtual reality technology captured the imagination of visitors at the 2016 Consumer Electronics Show. Virtual reality, or immersive multimedia reality, replicates a specific environment and allows users to interact with another world different from reality. Among all frontier technologies, out-of-this-world virtual reality has become one of the biggest tech trends in recent years. More than 50 companies, including Samsung, Intel, and Dell, are showcasing their latest VR devices at the CES event. Intel unveiled a device which enables a user to draw pictures through coordinated body movements. Nikon exhibited a new video recorder which combines VR and three-dimensional technologies. The innovative recorder captures 360-degree images through its 8 cameras and can also record 3D videos to immerse users into a virtual world. Known as the World's Fair of Innovation, the annual CES exhibition is famous for offering a first glimpse of thousands of the latest tech products.